we got high-speed hay baling going on. Timothy is running the 7810 on that little hay rig there, as you can see already. And I'm just going to set this thing up on the next bale that drops off, and you can see what happens. We do have a storm coming up from the south, which is really putting a damper on the pamper, and kind of pissing me off, really. But I have got to get this hay baled. I've got a couple hundred acres laying on the ground. It's all second cut. It's yielding pretty good. It is wet, by the way. It's not as dry as I'd like it to be, but it is what it is, and I have to deal with it that way. Yeah, so, yeah. This hay I put ammonium sulfate on, or this is a field that Timothy put the ammonium sulfate on. And it doesn't usually give me a second cut, and it shouldn't give me a second cut. But because I put the ammonium sulfate on and we got a little shower, a little bit of rain after I did so, it really did come through. So the bale's about to fall off the back, and I'm actually gaining on that kid. So there it is. Let me throw that up there, and y'all can enjoy the view of me driving at a shit ton of speed. Ready? I think the view of the barn and stuff is good. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see you do that with a rotary rig, huh? And get every lousy bit of it. Whoa, baby, whoa, whoa. I gotta get her down about 10th gear to make the corner. And we'll see who outdoes the cornering. He's gone now. Yeah, high-speed racing with expensive equipment. We know the field is smooth, but holy shit. Now tell me there's roping going on with that rake, huh? He's going like 15 miles an hour. He might go even 16. That thing is just breaking it up, baby. Breaking it up. Nice and fluffy. Yeehaw! Yeah, we got rain coming, so we kind of got to hurry up, you know. You know, that's why I'm racing
the other
like
day,
that.
a lot of us watched George Saunders wrestle with one of these bales. You don't have to do that if you have a crone. And he's got a crone, but watch this. Why won't that come out of there now? Oh, now it just wants to be a total douchebag, huh? Have you ever seen that happen before? I'm getting a lot of dirt and dust in there. Look at that. Well, if that's the case, then we'll just fold up the gate with it stuck in there like that. How's that sound? Hell with ya. I'll pull that bale out later. Apparently, and it's just starting to rain right now. Can you believe that? So I ejected the one and I thought I would show you how to get the other one out, but it just wants to ride back and forth. You can see it's in there. Had a wad of hay come up there and missed the brushes and actually broke all my strings, so I'm going to have to pull that out anyway. But not before the rain, so here we go. Wow! I'll fall down and break my damn neck. That'd be the end OLF, huh? Oh, and check this out, huh? These shirts will be for sale too.